Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're looking at Shargeek's multifunctional digital clock, Capsule Gravity. So here it is. It has the on button right here, and we'll just hold it. There we go. It's all powered up right now, so you can see time, date, everything right there. And then what's great about this is you flip it over, and you have the Pomodoro Timer right there counting down, and you can cycle through timer and that as well. And you can set this up to 23 hours and 59 minutes, and then we just flip it back over. So it has a gravity sensor to flip it over. It also has a USB-C port that's great for powering at 20 watts, so fast charge your devices, and it's a 5000 milliamp battery. So you get timer, Pomodoro Timer, you have the clock, you have the date, and it has multiple brightnesses like that. And after the third brightness level, it shuts off. So to power it back on, you just hold down the power button like that, and then it'll boot up. Here's some more details about the battery itself from Shargeek. It's cool because it has all these multi-functions, and I've always wanted to try out a Pomodoro Timer, and that's what this is to offer right here. But it's also a power bank, so you can use it on your travels, charge your phone, and at 20 watts, you can even charge your tablet. Super neat. Fits in the palm of my hand, and it flips over and it starts doing the timer immediately, and then flips back over to regular time. This is the Shargeek Capsule Gravity, and it's a multifunctional digital clock as well, and a battery. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.